Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this look right here with my new, this was the first time I ever tried out the Dare to Create palette. So I was in the mood today just to film a video while I'm listening to music so I can like jam out. So I'm not even going to do voiceover, it's literally just this palette. I didn't really show you any of the other face products because they're the same ones I use all the time. So, and if they are different, I do put in a little clip just so you can see them. But today I tested out this beautiful baby today, and I went for like a pinky look kind of thing. These eyeshadows are super pigmented. I was a bit shook. There is a bit of a fallout, so I kind of thought this was a fail. I kind of have seemed to like, you know, make it look okay though. But before, like, you can see I've done my eyeshadows first, and if you didn't do your eyeshadows first you would have to like take all your makeup off because there is a lot of fallout on this palette. Overall though, they're super pigmented. I love them. I love the bigger pans of transition shade. I think that's really handy when you don't need much eyeshadow at all to like get the pigment that you're looking for. I really love the shimmer shades, the matte shades. They all work beautifully. They all blend together super nice. When you blend them out, you do have a bit of like, if you keep blending them out, you do have, you know, pigment fading the colour, but that's what I like. That's what I look for in eyeshadows. So I suppose you do get that with all eyeshadows though. So yeah, I use this colour here, this colour here, I use this colour here, and I use a bit of this colour, and they all blended super nice together. I was super happy with the look. The only thing that I would say bad about this is the fallout on the shades that I did use. I'm not sure obviously about the other shades, but apart from that it went good as well. So I'm not gonna do voiceover just because you know everything I put on my face anyway, and we'll just jump right into it. So I hope you enjoy. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday for a brand new video. Bye guys.